I wanted to show you my work in progress with the 3D printed arm extensions for the DJI Flamewheel arms. And this is actually the TBS Discovery frame, but I have my arms now zip tied to all 4 legs, and for each leg there are 2 extensions. And you can, as you can tell, there's probably a little bit over an inch of clearance above the GoPro. So with that clearance, there's some people that actually use this part of the F450 or F550 plate, and what they do is, you know, I can just demonstrate. They would slide it under and kind of mount their camera underneath. So if I were using one of the DJI Flamewheel frames, you can see that these legs provide a decent amount of clearance. Now, as you can see for this design, I have gone ahead and use zip ties to just keep these arms in place. That, you know, there's a little bit of play there. I use these tiny zip ties. I'm sure if you use bigger ones, you'd have a little bit tighter fit. Plan is, you know, as I continue to evolve this design, to get, you know, either a snap together, some sort of configuration so you're not using zip ties. I'd have to say the one positive thing I think is just if you have a tough landing, there's a good chance your zip ties will break before your arms do, or before your extensions do. Initially, I posted a video that showed kind of the preliminary design, and you know, it did okay, but it wasn't long enough, so I went ahead and followed up with a second design or second revision that added a little bit more length. But as you can see, these holes are kind of big, so I brought those down, scaled those down a little bit, and you know, I've done a few test flights with these arms, and so far they work great. Okay, so I'm just going to take it for a quick test flight just so you guys can see how it looks in the air. All right, let's take it up. You can see how it looks. Kind of looks like a little spider. So that was a demonstration of the arm extensions. I would like to get a few sets in the field. So if you'd like a set, please send me a direct message on YouTube. I'll probably print 5 sets. Now, these guys actually, you know, each set, there are 8 arms, and with the current settings, it takes about almost 2 hours to print 8 arms. So it's a considerable amount of time, and each set of arms weighs about 30 grams, so it shouldn't add too much, you know, to your payload. If you would, just send me a message and we can work out. You know, I'm not going to charge for parts, but I will, you know, request that if you want me to ship you a set, that you at least pay for shipping. And one last point I wanted to make: I actually uploaded the design to shapeways.com earlier today. I just wanted to kind of see, you know, could I print these, or can I upload these and get them printed, just to compare the quality of the 3D print with the Makerbot Replicator 2. And as you can see, the price for just basic white, strong, and flexible material is $7.18. So and you can go through and actually see some of the different materials. It's pretty crazy. You can actually, if you wanted to get them printed in silver, you're talking $111. But the thing about it is, that's for one piece. So you're talking almost, you know, $56 to $60 for a full set of 8. So I'm not going to even attempt, you know, to put these online and let you guys purchase them through Shapeways, because that's more than the frame itself. Anyway, I hope that was useful, and let me know if you have any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.